Alright, so to check and remove all your connected apps and games on Facebook, if you're on a computer, just make sure to log into your profile. Click on your profile thumbnail at the top right corner, go to Settings, and then to Privacy to Settings. Now scroll down to the left-hand side tabs, and then enter Apps and Websites option. Now all the apps and games that you're logged in with your Facebook will show up in this list. If you want to remove any app, just click on this remove button, simple. And then a warning will tell you that it'll disable all connection between that app and your Facebook account. Just click on remove. The app will be removed on your Facebook account, and you can see the removed app list from here as well. However, if you're on a smartphone, go to Menu, to Settings, and then like before, scroll down to Apps and Website. Now, to remove the apps on your mobile, you got to tap on the app name, and then tap on either of the remove buttons, and then just hit remove. That's all. Thanks for watching.